Hi everyone, it's Adam here from Future Set Mortgage Broking. Hope you're doing well. So for Property Finance Insights this week, I'm bringing you a new case study, which is always my favourite. So recently we helped Luke and Gemma in Queensland purchase and settle on their owner-occupied property. But this was not just a property purchased to them, but a place they could finally call home for them and their son. Luke and Gemma had been through some difficult times in the past 12 to 18 months, mainly with having to live apart whilst Luke was working interstate and growing his business. But the couple were hit further with border restrictions during COVID, which meant that return to Queensland was not easy or indeed possible for Luke at times, which when you have a young family is especially tough. So finding a lender to meet their needs and to grant unconditional approval came with a few challenges. So challenge number one, Luke, self-employed, in the past 12 months changed business structure from sole trader to Pty Ltd. Not a major concern, but during the business restructure, Luke's trading results improved significantly from the previous year. So we really needed a lender that would look at 1 year financials only, together with an accountant's letter to support that this restructure and increased activity would be a reflection of the business's ongoing performance. Challenge two, Gemma, coming off maternity leave, was now employed within Luke's business. So again, we needed to make sure that the lender could use Gemma's pay-as-you-go income for servicing. Challenge number three, we had noted a slight issue on Gemma's credit report. It was an error made and confirmed by a previous lender. We needed to fix the issue, which would take some time, or have a credit team that would take a reasonable view on this. And challenge four, we noted a 5-year-old trading default on Luke's credit report. Albeit not Luke's fault and only a small amount, the lender credit teams we spoke to advised that we needed to wait a few more months until the default was removed. But what to do? Luke and Gemma wanted to purchase before the end of the year, whilst they could see properties on the market within their purchasing reach. And challenge number five, we were in LMI territory, or Lender's Mortgage Insurance territory. So credit teams will have a more dialed-in view on risk when your LVR, loan-to-value ratio, is above 80%. So in short, we needed a lender with policy that favoured self-employed applicants, willing to accept 1 year financials with LMI required, and a credit team willing to consider the credit report issues mitigated with an accountant's letter. Thankfully, we managed to obtain conditional approval, and very quickly, Luke and Gemma found the perfect house for them. So we moved to ordering valuations and obtaining formal approval. With so much at stake for the couple, it was a nervous time waiting for formal approval to be granted, but all the planning, hard work and due diligence around the loan application paid off in the end, as Luke and Gemma were granted unconditional approval and settlement was booked. It was an incredible journey to have been part of, and for me as the broker, to see my clients land their first family home, well, needless to say, a few champagne corks were popped. All in all, an amazing result. So if you'd like to refinance or buy property and you wish to know your options, please do click the link or button below to book a time for a chat with myself. We can have a quick chat and hopefully get your free assessment underway. I hope you enjoyed the case study this week, and yeah, I look forward to bringing more to you in the near future. Chat to you soon.